how to buy and equip skins in UFL football. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy and equip the skins in UFL football. So basically the skins are available on the skin shop on this beta version. You'll be able to find the skins directly at the home screen. Just tap on it and go to store. There are different categories ranging from basic to premium packs. And obviously the skin is going to cost you a bit. If you've got enough credit, you'll be able to open the pack, and after you have purchased it, you can go to my club and open your squad. And after that, you just need to open your player, and at the bottom you would be able to see if there is any available skin and you can equip it. And in this way you can do the same thing for the rest of your squad. And this is how you can buy and equip skins in UFL football. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.